Inserting ad slots with the AdSense plugin. Hey there everyone! So you have just learned how easy it is to manually insert your ad slots on your AdSense site. So you already inserted your ad unit codes and now you are finally serving AdSense ads on your pages. Yet you might find it a bit monotonous to have to insert each ad unit variation on each different placement one by one. And you would like to know if there's an alternative method that will allow you to streamline ad insertion. Well, yes, there is. AdSense publishers using WordPress can install plugins that will allow them to directly insert multiple ad unit variations without having to individually insert and test each one separately. And in this video, we are going to show you how. You have to start on your site's dashboard and then move to the left-hand menu. Hover over the Plugins tab and click on the Add New option. Now click on the Search Plugins bar and type AdSense. Now locate the Advanced Ads plugin. Now click on the Install button corresponding to this plugin. Wait until installation completes and then click on Activate. Awesome! Now that the Advanced Ads plugin is installed on your site, you will have to authorize it with your AdSense ID in order to allow it to insert AdSense ads on your pages. So simply go to your AdSense dashboard and click on the Settings tab. Then click on the Account Information option. Now copy your publisher ID and go back to WordPress. Now hover over the Advanced Ads tab located on the left-hand menu and click on the Settings option. Now click on the AdSense tab and paste your publisher ID in the AdSense ID field. Now click on Save Settings. Go back again to your AdSense account and click on My Ads. In the Auto Ads section, click on the Set Up Auto Ads button and then click on the Copy Code Snippet button on the pop-up. Then go back to your WordPress dashboard and click on the Ads option under the Advanced Ads tab. Select the AdSense Ad option and then paste your AdSense code in the code box. Now click on Get Details. Now click on the Activate button that appears afterwards. Then click on Next. You can configure display conditions and visitor conditions on the next page, and then to click on Next once you're done. And that is it. Now your AdSense ads will appear on automated places across your site. Want to learn more? Then see you in the next section.